I'm going to show you how to back up iPhone app tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Search in the search bar or the search engine. Scroll down until you see the website called AnyTrends and click on it. Make sure that you download by either scanning the QR code or click free download desktop version. And once it has been downloaded, locate where you've downloaded the folder or the file and open. In this case, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to click open. Okay, here comes the cool part. Make sure that you plug in your iPhone device or your Apple smartphone device. Once plugged in and once downloaded, you should see a screen like this. Click on the device manager on the top left hand of the screen, and then click on apps or application icon, and you will see a list of all of the apps that you would like to download or transfer. In this case, I'm going to click this app because I'd like to back this up and download. I'm going to click these three arrows on the top right hand screen and click download to app library. You're going to want to sign into your iCloud device and wait for this to download. Another option is if you want to download this to your PC, so you have the application file directly, select the folder, and then wait for this to download. In this case, you have successfully backed up an iPhone app to your PC, and you will be given right here. To make sure we have the application, locate where you have downloaded or backed up your iPhone app, and there it is. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.